Today I'm working on this tail light on a 2014 Kia Soul. This is the same from 2014 up to 2019. This is a second generation Soul. I'm going to be removing the tail light and replacing these bulbs, or showing you how to replace them. Now this fixture here is LED, so if that stops functioning you have to replace the whole thing, which is what I'm going to show you how to take the whole thing off of the vehicle. But these bulbs are replaceable, your reverse bulb and your turn signal. So let's jump into it. I'm going to start off by, we got 4 screws right here. We're going to take those off. You do not need to remove this here. This can stay in its place. And these are firm. There's like a plastic screw fitting in there, so when you're taking these out you do have to keep a little bit of pressure on it so they're coming out. And it is nice using a longer screwdriver just so you can get around this guy. And we are on to our 4th screw up here at the top. Boom. There we go. So I'll show you the location of all of these screws. We got one here, 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 and here. So now we're ready to pull on the light and pull it off. So I'm going to walk you over to this side of the vehicle. And what I'm going to do is pull this way first, top and bottom, kind of work it. Oh, came off pretty easy there, but once we kind of break it free this way, then it comes straight out this way. Then we have to disconnect the light here. So we're going to press this here. Press down and pull. This is firm, so support it and pop it out. There's a little rubber gasket in there keep the water out, so it is firm. You got to pull on that pretty firm. Up here, this just goes to the LED portion of the light. So if you take this off, all this is if you need to replace your wire harness, you can replace the harness. You can see in there, that's just a plug, but you can't actually replace the running bulb because it's an LED. But you can replace these guys. So we got this guy, what you rotate counterclockwise to remove, then pull straight out. Then let me put a new glove on. I have a piece of plastic. Use a paper towel or something. This you push in, see that movement, then twist and it comes out. And there are these little pins that need to line up with these holes when you put that on. This is the amber bulb for your turn signal. That's how you take it on and off. I'll put a link in the description for those bulbs. So that's the turn signal bulb. Then once you fit it in and it fits flush down into its home, then you turn. My fingers are going to be sore tomorrow. Turn that clockwise to click it into place. Then we have this guy here. This is our reverse bulb. That guy counterclockwise turn, you hear the click. It pops out. Then just pulls out, puts back in. That's a clear bulb. That's for your reverse light. If you do replace this with a LED, you can put it in reverse. So if you do put an LED bulb in there, then try it one way. If it doesn't work, try it the other way. Flip it 180 degrees and see if that works. And that is what's the bulb code on this? It says W616. Yep, so I'll put a link in the description for that bulb. And this guy feeds back into there. Kind of rotate it till you find it's the little locating pins. I went too far. So yeah, there's little notches to make it fit in. There we go. So now it fits flush. See, that goes there. Rotate it. And those are the bulbs. And if this was a whole brand new fixture, then we would just take the new fixture and go plug it in there and we're good to go. These are our little locator pins that secure it to the outside of the vehicle. So we want to get those lined up with these here. So, and then I think there's a little peg here which fits into the frame as well. But yeah, those line up. Once you line that up, then you push firm, pops into place. But let's get this reconnected over here. So then this guy will connect to here, and I have to get real nice and close. There's our little button we pressed, and that fits right into there. Push firm till you hear the click. Then we rotate it up, and I am lining up these pins right here. And once you get 2 of them lined up, then you're good. They kind of all fall into place. But yep, that just popped right in. I was looking at the one up here and the one down here. And I'm going to gently rotate and then give it a good firm chiropractor push. And the light is in. Now I'm just going to throw these 4 screws in. Boom. These guys go in here. Boom. Now as you're putting these guys in, go till it's snug and then quarter turn. You don't need to crank these down. So I'm gonna go till I feel it get snug. And then boom, stop there. We got one more to go down here. And then this will be installed. Thanks so much for joining me. Hopefully this was helpful. The whole fixture, I'll have a link in the description for the whole fixture. I'll also have the link in the description for these 2 bulbs. And if this was helpful, give a thumbs up and we'll catch you next time.